Hi there. Are you having trouble with your alternator and suspect it may not be charging your battery? Well, today we're going to give you a couple of easy to follow steps on how to test your alternator.
Park your vehicle on a flat surface with a handbrake engaged. Firstly, you'll need very basic tools for this test. A multimeter to test the voltage parameters of your vehicle, a pair of safety glasses, and a pair of gloves. Pop the bonnet and locate the bonnet stand, then secure it in place. Locate your alternator. It is usually mounted near the front of the engine and it is driven by a belt. It looks like a small cylindrical device with vents on it and wires connected to it. Turn on your multimeter and set it to DC voltage. Ensure you are set to the correct range of the voltage you are going to be testing. Locate your battery posts, negative and positive. Connect your negative prong to the negative post and your positive prong to the positive post. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. If the voltage is below 12 volts, it may be undercharged or faulty. Charge the battery if necessary before proceeding. Start the car and let it idle. While the engine is running, read the voltage across the battery terminals again. The voltage should increase to between 13.5 and 14.5 volts, indicating that the alternator is charging the battery. If it remains under 13 volts, the alternator may not be functioning properly. Turn on your car's headlights, radio, air conditioning, and other electronic accessories. Measure your voltage while the accessories are on. It should remain within 13.5 to 14.5 volts. If it drops significantly, your alternator may be struggling to supply enough power. Inspect the alternator wiring and connections for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. A poor connection can affect the alternator's performance. Ensure the drive belt is in good condition and properly tensioned. A loose or worn belt can prevent the alternator from charging the battery effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you want to get charged up with more knowledge, keep an eye out for our other videos.